Hello, Kevin here with my boat Empty Netters. It's an older 1995 Starcraft Fishmaster 170. Been doing a little bit of work on it. I posted a video last year on my Tohatsu 8 horsepower kicker motor that I added to it, and how I upgraded the steering and the throttle control. And I just recently added shift control as well, and thought I'd just walk through how I did that as a little bit of an update. So if you want to know how I did the steering control with the Atwood steering, mounted the motor, and then added this wire for control at the helmet for throttle, you can certainly watch the other video on my channel. But this is just an update on the shift control. So the way the shift control works on this boat is basically you have a lever here for forward, neutral, and reverse. That lever then goes into the boat through a control arm and hooks onto a pin that comes out of this plastic piece here. And as you move that, you can see that that metal bar as well as the pin, it kind of shifts. So I wanted shift control up at the helm as well. So what I did was I got a control cable that I ordered. It was about $35. I ordered these two replacement pieces. So I put one on the, I replaced the one that came stock on the motor, and then I added the other piece to the end of the control arm. Then basically I've run the control arm through the boat. I know it's probably not the most professional job. I'm not a metal worker by any means, but what I did was I bought a piece of aluminum flat, which was 1/8 inch thick and 3 feet long. Used it for a couple things on this project. So I created this bracket here, created a groove that basically I could insert the control cable. Then I took the cable, I ran it around the boat, the red cable here, ran it around the boat motor, out through here, ran it through the boat, into the inside of the boat. Then what I did was I basically ran that up to the helm area. If you watched my video last year, if you want to see an update, originally what I had was I basically had a lawnmower throttle control here. So what I did this time to sort of incorporate it all into one was I created this box here. So I just made that out of PCV board, painted it gray. I ran the throttle control wire up through there. I've created a lever system, so that basically as I move this lever, and it's a little bit hard to see, but as I move this lever, pulls that cable, that controls my throttle. And the shift control, I've run through the boat, come up through the boat into this box here. Again, I created another little bracket out of that aluminum flat. That's what I created my handles out of as well. Just kind of fabricated them, bent them, kind of cleaned them up, shaped them a little bit. You did one for the throttle, one for the shift control, and then that shift control cable comes up here into the connector. That's actually the original connector that was on the back. I removed it because it's a lot wider, and I was able to fit the two pieces that I ordered onto the one control bar at the back, and again created like a lever type situation. So basically I can do this, and as I do it, it shifts the back. And if you can zoom in a little bit, you can actually see at the back. I can aim this a little bit and do it at the same time. As I move the control cable, it actually moves the one at the back as well. So forward, neutral, reverse. So it gives me full shift control at the front of the boat. was a little bit of a pain to do, to be perfectly honest, but it works. And now I got full steering, full throttle, and full shift control. And then just to make it look a little bit nicer, I took a piece of, actually just a piece of plastic, make a cover. So basically I have that, gonna be nicely covered. Got my throttle control, got my shift control, steering through the steering wheel. So full control up at the helm. And that's my little project I did last weekend. Thanks.